Hello, and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 8th grade concept of slope as unit rate. This is standard 8.4b in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 11 of the 2024 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. All right, so we have a printing store, and it uses 24 ounces of ink in 18 minutes. We need to find a graph that best represents this rate here. And look what they give us. Number of ounces of ink used per minute. So that's going to be the rate we're looking for. And that per is going to be very helpful because that per is going to kind of represent both the different parts of that rate. So I'm just going to write per right there because that's going to be that fraction bar there. So per minute, you kind of read it from top to bottom. So since minute is on the right side of per, we're going to put that in our denominator. And then I'm just going to put ounces, OZ, of ink. That's on the left side, right? That goes on the numerator. That goes on the denominator. So ounces per minute. You can read it top to bottom just like you can read it left to right. So they give us 24 ounces in 18 minutes. So 24 per 18 minutes. So we just need to find the best representation of this and take a look what we have here, right? We've got our ounces. That is going to be our dependent variable. That is going to be our y. Our minute is our independent variable. And it's going to be our x. And hopefully we know what is y over x, but if not, right, we can see it here as slope, right? Now, we're not necessarily going to find a slope-intercept form because it doesn't look like there's going to be any y-intercept. So we're going to use that direct variation, right? That y equals kx. That's going to help us. It's going to be more of direct variation. Now we need to find the slope, right? We need to match it. We can use that slope of a line, change in y over change in x. So we could go ahead and simplify this, right? So 24 over 18, because the problem, it would be fine if we had a graph that went that far, but the graphs don't go up to 24 or 18. They get close, but not all the way. So let's divide these by, looks like we can divide by 6. So that's going to be 4/3. Okay, so this is going to be my slope, which means this is my rise over run. So we're going to go up 4 over 3. All right, so let's see. So this is going to be up 4. I'm going to just look at A and then over 3. Okay, so I should look at that, an XY value of 3, 4, and I don't see it on A. Okay, let's check it on B. So up 4 over 3. Okay, so we're looking good there. So let's go up another 4. It's 8. And up and over another 3. 6. Okay, we're looking good. We're going to go up another 4, so that's going to go 12. And over another 3, 9. All right, so B looks good. Let's just verify C and D to make sure they don't work. So we're going to go up 4 and then over 3. Oh, we are so close right there on C, but you notice it's not going to work. And it's going to look worse as we go farther. Up 4 over 3. Look, there's the 6. And then up 4 over 3. It's way off on the 9. All right, so no on the A, no on the C. So you have to look closely, and it looks like this isn't even going to be close. Up 4. Wow. Over 3. Not going to work. Up 4 over 3. No. That is definitely not going to work either. So it's not going to be D. So if we were to continue this right, it would have the time of 18, and it would have the amount of 24, right? It would hit that spot perfectly. But our answer here is going to be B.